All right, welcome back to our second installment of Car Maintenance Basics. And today we are going to be changing the wiper blades on this 2018 GMC Canyons.
There's nothing worse than getting caught in the rain and turning on your windshield wipers and having it just smear across the windshield and making it difficult to see. So I recommend that you change these every rainy season. So we've already purchased our new blades and there are instructions on the back, but these are very simple. And typically what you'll do is there's a little button here that you just press. And you're just gonna press that and then these will slide right off. Take our old one and remove it.
If you look at it, it's kind of like, it looks like a little hook on the windshield wiper blade.
Yep.
Right here. Just hooks in right there.
And it just snaps right in place. So there's our new one. I typically will hold them up just to make sure that they're the right size. Then we'll get our new blade out, and the installation is exactly the opposite of removing the other one. We're just gonna slide it up. You should hear a little click. There we go. And you set it back down and you're off to the races. The second one is exactly the same as the first. And then you'll be good for another year.
Thanks again so much for watching. Hopefully you can see much better this winter with a fresh set of wiper blades.